So I got myself a spokeshave and a small Leytool drill and some really interesting bits for the brace, and I got myself a Stanley number 78 brace. Managed to find another spokeshave. This one was £10. Need to remove the sticker from the blade itself. The blade's got plenty of life left on it. Unfortunately somebody's had a go at sanding it, so it's taken all the lovely finish off it, but I could reinstate that in some way, maybe put some French polish on there, or try some waxes, some tinted waxes. So yeah, that's quite a nice tool for the money. I have got other spokeshaves, but it's quite nice because this one is sort of the medium size between the other two that I've got. So here's my other spokeshaves. So you can see they're all actually might be better. You can see they're all like different sizes. So to get the blade out, you just tap on these two upright pieces. So that's the blade. It's a nice shaped handle on this. Nice curves, feels nice in the hand, so that's really good. Alright, I'll just sharpen this. So I use a diamond stone for sharpening. So to test to see if it's sharp, best way just to try it with your finger, and if it drags on your skin, if it sort of picks up your skin, you can feel it sharp. For the depth, so let's have a look at this. All you do is you tap this back into the body, and you can tap it as far in as you can, or you can leave it a little bit proud if you want it to cut a bit deeper. Nice. It's a nice tool straight away. Haven't had to do too much to it to get it working. Let's go with the grey now, see what sort of finish we get. I think it could be a little bit sharper, but it's cutting well. Got an interesting piece of ash to shape. It's just an offcut, but it's got quite an interesting wild grain to it. So this larger one's quite good for chamfer. You can take quite a lot off. I'm going against the grain here, but it's not too much of a problem. If I was going to finish it off, you can finish it off nicely like that. Really nice tools to use. That's the larger one. The smaller one's good for tight curves. So I am. Let me just work from the other side because I'm going against the grain there. So this one's quite good for shaping the curve of the back of a chair or the curve of the arms of a chair. Right, I think it'd be nice to get a bit of finish on the handle, get it back to this lovely rich colour. So just to compare, here's my other spoke shaves, and they've got a nice sort of shiny finish. So I was just going to put a bit of polish and wax on this one, get it back to the original colour. So I'm just going to take the blade out. Just got some shellac polish. It's got a tint. I'm just going to give it a couple of coats of this, and I'll cut it back a bit. Try and get a tinted wax and yeah, start using it. Okay, leave that to dry. There's quite a lot of resistance in this drill, so I'm thinking it could do with a grease. So I'm gonna see if I can open it up. Okay, so I imagine I'll do that. Okay, that was really easy. Okay. Just hope there's not lots of springs and stuff in here. 2 metal washers or shims, 3 shims. Now, okay. Oh, really simple. So let's see what grease I've got. Just got a tiny bit of silicone grease left. Lovely sweet little wooden handle. Just going to put some of this face here. I was really shocked how easy that was to take apart. Not normally that easy. Runs a lot easier now. Oh yeah, that's just amazing. So let me do my 4mm drill bit test. Four mils. It's quite a challenge with this little thing. Do it that way so you can see it. 4mm into oak. Okay, I'm not going to put too much pressure on, let the drill bit do the cutting. Well, that was quite deep. Brilliant. So there you have it, the Leytool's hand drill. British made. So yeah, I was quite excited to get that, but more interesting was the actual drill bits I managed to find. So I think these ones are really interesting. I haven't seen any drill bits like this before. That one hasn't got a size on it, but the other one is what's the size? It says it's a 3/8 and it's got 1917 on it, and it says Smith and Sons, Sheffield. So 2 rather nice drill bits to go in the brace. So that's the brace and bits. So I'm using a diamond stone again. It's a trend one, it's 600, 300 grit. So it's quite coarse. Just trying to get the cutting angle. This one's got quite a nice large flat to it, so it's quite easy to find it. Yeah, that's really sharp, and this maybe a bit more.